Hey everyone, welcome back to CAD Show, your go-to channel for all things SketchUp and 3D modeling. And today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of architectural modeling: adding windows in SketchUp. Windows are essential elements in any building model, not just for aesthetic purposes, but also for functionality. Let's get started by opening up SketchUp and loading your project. Step 1. Preparing the wall. First, we'll select the wall where we want to add our window. Make sure your wall is a solid group or component to avoid any unwanted changes to other parts of your model. Use the Select tool to highlight the wall. If it's not already a group, you can create one by right-clicking and selecting Make Group. Step 2. Drawing the window outline. Next, we need to draw the outline of the window. For this, use the Rectangle tool to create a rectangle on the wall where you want your window to be. Click on the wall to start drawing your rectangle. Drag the cursor to define the size of your window and click again to finish. You can always adjust the dimensions later if needed. Step 3. Creating the window opening. Now, we need to create the opening for our window. To do this, select the rectangle we just drew and use the Push/Pull tool to push it through the wall. With the rectangle selected, click on the Push/Pull tool. Click on the rectangle and drag it inward until it cuts through the wall. This creates our window opening. Step 4. Adding window components. With our opening ready, it's time to add the window components. SketchUp has a built-in components library, or you can download specific window models from the 3D warehouse. Go to Window greater than Components to open the Components panel. Search for Window in the 3D warehouse. Choose a window model that fits your design and click Download to import it into your project. Step 5. Positioning the window. Now, let's position our window. Use the Move tool to place the window component precisely in the opening. Make sure it's centered and aligned properly. Select the window component, click on a point on the component, and then click on a point in the opening to move it. Use the Rotate tool if necessary to align it correctly. Step 6. Finishing touches. Finally, let's add some finishing touches. You can adjust the window frame, add glass materials, and even include window treatments like blinds or curtains for added realism. Select the window frame and apply materials from the Materials panel. Choose glass textures for the panes to give it a realistic look. And there you have it. You've successfully added a window to your SketchUp model. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to CAD Show for more SketchUp tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.